Goodbye to my old New Testament version with bigger font, but that's just a sacrifice to get both testaments in. Let's see how it looks like. Also in back order, so it's really a Christmas, a birthday, and also just all those years. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. And this is, I guess the cover there, but showing them both off. I mean, they needed to fit 46 more books in there with the notes. All right. Well, let's compare it to the beginning of Matthew, I guess. Old Matthew, it's Matthew. Real quick. So I can just leaf through these and the notes. See what it has. And yeah. Similar, right? But obviously the old just New Testament version is a little bit bigger, but this one has a lot of the same information. I would think the same translation and notes, but wow, it is beautifully outlined. The color's a little more cream than the original. The original is white, just a little more cream colored. But I can't wait to get into these and really delve deep into not just the passages, but also the essays that they have. And also the word studies. Like this, Matthew's Infancy Narrative Historical. And things of that nature. It's really what brings this Bible and makes it worthwhile. And obviously, while it's fun to look at the New Testament to see a comparison and contrast, I'm really looking forward to looking at the Old Testament, which has not been released, at least in the completed form. You would have to buy them individually. So, again, it's over a decade. I remember when I bought this book, when Scott Hahn came to see us at a local church function, he signed this book too, Romans 8:28. I asked him, this is back in 2010s, mid-2010s, when the Old Testament or the complete Bible was coming out, and he said a year from now, and that was over a decade ago. So I'm glad that it came out 2024, late 2024 in November. So this is really a new release, so I can't wait to really delve deep into the Ignatius Catholic Study Bible, Old and New Testament. Thank you, guys.